Passkey versus password. Difference between passkey and password. 1. What is a passkey? A passkey is a sequence of characters, usually a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols, that is used to authenticate and authorize access to a system, application, or device. 2. What is a password? A password is also a sequence of characters, usually a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols, that is used to authenticate and authorize access to a system, application, or device. 3. What is the difference between a passkey and a password? The main difference between a passkey and a password is that a passkey is typically used for wireless connections, while a password is used for general authentication and access control. 4. Can a passkey and a password be the same thing? Yes, a passkey and a password can be the same thing. However, the term passkey is usually used in the context of wireless connections, while password is more general. 5. Is a passkey more secure than a password? Not necessarily. The security of a passkey or a password depends on how it is generated, stored, and managed. In general, using a strong, unique passkey or password and storing it securely is key to maintaining security. 6. Can a passkey and a password both be used for the same authentication process? Yes, depending on the context and the system or device being used, a passkey and a password can both be used for authentication. 7. What is the purpose of a passkey? The purpose of a passkey is to establish a secure wireless connection between two devices, such as a computer and a wireless router. 8. What is the purpose of a password? The purpose of a password is to authenticate and authorize access to a system, application, or device. 9. How do you create a strong passkey or password? To create a strong passkey or password, you should use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and make it at least 8 to 12 characters long. Avoid using common words, phrases, or personal information that others might easily guess. 10. How often should you change your passkey or password? You should change your passkey or password periodically, ideally every few months or whenever you suspect it may have been compromised. This can help prevent others from accessing your account or information even if they have obtained your passkey or password. Thanks for watching.